Hi, everybody. My name is Singh, VP of Product at UpKeep. I'm filling in for Ryan today. Happy Friday and Happy New Year, and welcome to our edition of our Product Release Friday videos. So today on web, we've actually improved the ability to export your PMs via CSV. Now your PM export will include both schedule and template as well. On mobile, we've improved the location picker. Now you can see a count of your sublocations and improved UI UX on that location picker itself. And then if you want to check out our other product release videos from 2024, please definitely visit our website. And then if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. I'm going to have Spencer and Eliseo talk about these features in detail. And again, happy Friday and happy 2025. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Happy New Year. My name is Spencer Nelson. I am a product manager here at UpKeep. And this week, I'm going to be showing you guys a new change we made to exporting your preventive maintenance. So now when you go into UpKeep and go to your preventive maintenance list, you have the ability to export your PMs along both schedule and template at the same time, as opposed to sort of having to export, both as separate operations. So you can do that right here from the list, export PMs with schedules. And in that case, what you'll find is a spreadsheet which has your template information first, followed by your schedule information. Both the template ID and schedule IDs can be found there. You'll also see this same behavior if you go to the import export page. As we released a couple weeks ago, we now have this new preventive maintenance import export format, which allows you to import your PMs in a single operation as opposed to doing templates and schedules separately. So now you'll have that same thing. You'll see this button, export current preventive maintenance. Clicking that will also export a similar sheet, or actually the exact same sheet that will have all of your PMs, both the templates and the schedules. Please let us know what you think about this. If you have any further feedback about imports and exports, hopefully this will help kind of streamline the process of bulk updating your PMs. Thanks so much.
Hello, I am Eliseo. I'm a product manager here at UpKeep. I'm here today to go over a new feature enhancement that we've done on the iOS app. I'm really excited to show it to you. What we're going to do first is go through the experience that everyone knows today, and then we'll go over the updates. Now, what we're going to be focusing on is locations within settings and locations when creating a work order. So if we go into locations, we're looking at the current experience. You can see your sublocations in my brewery setup here. I can add locations and I can just view them. And it's very similar to our work orders setup. I can go into my location section and I see the sublocations. Very similar functionality. Now we're going to go over the updates. I'm going to update. I'll be 1 second. And now we're on the new version. So if I go back into locations, you see we've updated the UI. You can still view everything, but it's a little bit easier on the eyes to see. You have the ability to add your sublocation still, but now you also have the ability to modify and delete a location. So I can go ahead and delete it. The sublocations from here, I can add all my information for my workers. And then for creating a work order, we've updated the UI to reflect the same as locations. And we've also added back the functionality for searching within your locations. So really excited for you guys to try this out. Give us your feedback, and let us know what you think.